members of the JCF, members of the JDF, along with citizens, are currently clearing the road along the Golden Spring Main Road, vicinity, Brooks Level Road entrance. The road was completely blocked. We are trying to create single lane traffic so vehicles can move about freely.
Hurricane Beryl has had a devastating effect in the Caribbean, particularly on Barbados, Grenada, St. Vincent, etc. Jamaica is the latest island to feel the effects of this disaster, where many people have lost their homes and their livelihoods, particularly in low-lying and hurricane-prone areas. Jamaicans are resilient and will recover, but it will take all our efforts in order to help them to do that. I'm asking you to pray for everyone, and also do check out the Jamaican Red Cross website and find out how you can help the recovery efforts. Thank you so much.
Good morning. Just checking in from Sandalstones River the day after Hurricane Beryl came through. As you can see, the ocean has greatly calmed down from yesterday. There is some debris that came up on to the beach, of course. The water came up as far as the pool back here. But everybody's doing really good. Not a lot of damage that we can see, just some palm fronds have come down, a couple branches here and there, but everybody is doing well. We're just trying to figure out the airport situation today, if we're going to be able to get home. But overall, we're doing good, and I hope you guys are having a good day so far.
This is the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl. There's a few snapped branches, as you can see, but to be honest, very minimal damage, luckily, from this side of the hotel anyway. We've not been outside, it's still 5 a.m. We don't know what the damages are. Everything looks calm down there. The sea looks relatively calm. The pools look good, so hopefully it'll be a quick clean up and we can get back up there. So this is our balcony. Just a few damages to the paint and a few leaves, that's all. Thankfully, that is all.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel once again. It's Kisaka, that's my YouTube channel name. I'm so pleased to have you back. Sorry to Jamaicans and the Caribbeans at large for what has just happened. Although it's a natural calamity, we are with you in prayers and in this recovery period. So sorry, especially to the Caribbean islands of the Grenada that were adversely affected by Hurricane Beryl. It has actually been so bad, and I've been going through some of the videos, and I see that at the moment it's now recovery mode, getting back to business as usual. Earlier on, I thank the Prime Minister, His Excellency Andrew Holness, for the message and how prepared Jamaica was by allowing people to Jamaicans to move freely on in the toll roads, the north-south toll roads and the east-west toll roads. There's a time that people were allowed to just use it freely to get home safely, and also the curfew at the moment has been lifted, but it was there. The curfew was to prevent people from looting. You know, from in previous hurricanes, there are some people who, with ill intention or with wicked intention, who used to move out and to go and loot. Some of them were looting even during while the hurricane was happening. Those were the past hurricanes. So far the hurricane is moving towards Mexico side, but the intensity of the hurricane is reducing. It's so bad. We are with you in prayers, guys, and There are some videos that I've looked, and I'm gonna show you in a few moments of what is happening and the messages of some of the Jamaicans to other Jamaicans. To the Jamaicans who are in the diaspora, thank you for always standing with the Jamaicans hired by your remittances and help. You can also access the Red Cross Jamaica website and see how you can chip in and assist other Jamaicans. Thank you so much. Also, there was some amount that was set aside, I think, to allow for some of the repairs and to help in a community development fund. That was part of the message that was passed across. And also at this time, the good thing is that it has subsided, but it's time to rebuild. The good thing is that not so many people have passed on, even though it has been devastating. Majority of the lives are still there. Most of the people didn't lose their lives. So far, I've seen like 10 people who have lost their lives in all the islands, the CARICOM. There's a news article that I also came across from the BBC that was published on late Thursday. Today, when I'm recording this video, is on Friday in Africa. So it was talking about the curfew that was lifted on Thursday. It was also mentioning Beryl, which has now weakened to a Category 2 storm. At the moment it's Category 2. It is headed for Mexico and the Cayman Islands. It is also talking about the devastations that it has left in the Caribbean, and it is mentioning that at least 10 people have lost their lives. And also it is talking about St. Vincent and Grenadines, Grenada and Venezuela reported the 3 deaths while 1 person died in Jamaica. The person who died in Jamaica, I think it was a kid playing, but I'm not sure. I think he was playing out, and then the unfortunate situation happened. The storm destroyed almost every home on 2 small islands, that is St. Vincent, Grenadines, Maireu and Union. Strong winds and dangerous storm surges and waves are expected to hit the Yucatan Peninsula by early on Friday. Today, which is today, I'm yet to go online and then look at it. The National Hurricane Center in the US forecasted the hurricane is expected to bring around 4-inch to 6-inch of rain into Friday across the peninsula, with some places getting up to 10-inch. In Kingston capital, the winds are extremely strong, but they were not the hurricane gusts that were expected. But the hours of heavy rain are real concern, especially on farmland where flooding has been reported. So this is just the news that was captured. Also, there are some parts that are out of power. The Jamaican energy provider JPS said that 65% or about 400,000 of the people connected to the grid were without power by Thursday morning. King Charles III, who's a monarch of the Caribbean, was saddened by the situation, and he sent his condolence messages. And the UN has unlocked around $400 million from its emergency response fund to help the recovery in Jamaica, just generally the Caribbean. The Prime Minister also thanked the first responders, especially first responders and the essential service providers, security forces, and good Samaritans who swift into action to help. He posted that on his Twitter or X. The storm shocked meteorologists at how fast it intensified, taking just about 42 hours to go from tropical depression to a major hurricane. So thank you for subscribing to this channel, Jamaicans. We are with you in prayers and we hope for the best. You know, there's been a change in climate change. The globe is getting warmer and warmer day by day by. People should plant trees, and proper mechanism should be put in place to help curb this. One good thing is that from the past hurricanes, Jamaica has learned, and by construction, people are constructing buildings that can be able to stand this such a time, and also from the messages like stock, people most of the people had placed some extra stock in, so that in case the hurricane could have been intensified, they would have known about it. Also, there was an evacuation situation, and people were advised to move from grounds that were likely to be affected. So far, we thank God that it has gone away. So this has been the video for today. I say sorry for what has happened, and we are hoping for the best, and we are with you always. We are standing with you at this time. As Jamaicans, Africans are with you. Thank you for staying tuned to this channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do me a favor by hitting the subscription button. Remember to like this video and also share this video out widely. Thank you so much. See you on my next video.